Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how I finished build of this chest. The first video in this series deals with chessboard. I built it from oak wood with inlay of popper pieces. The second video was about building the chess pieces. Here I am cutting out pockets for pieces to be stored in. There are two sets of those, one for white and one for black pieces. I glued a velvet blanket on the top to make it more soft and fancy. I used some spare velvet and pieces with clamps to force the velvet to stick to the pockets. Here is the final result, which is absolutely great. I added some thin wood to form a drawer. Both drawers has magnets to hold them down. I built a thin groove to form a frame around the chessboard. In the meantime, I glued some thin felt to the bottom of each piece. I cut away redundant material and fine sanded all the edges. Here is the final result with drawers and pieces inside. The pocket design was quite difficult for me. At the end, I made a screenshot of these silhouettes, placed them in GIMP and filled with color. Then I removed all the holes and smoothed out the sharp details. Then I used Inkscape to split the contours in halves and imported them back to Blender. I used screw extrusion to form a half piece again. I scaled them down and arranged them into the final shape. Using a boolean operator, I made a board with the pieces holes. Then I generate the pocket contour and pocket operation. I planned all the milling actions. Thanks for watching.